We've arrived at Rubish's house.
Special plastic paint, is it?
Warming up. Let's do this. Welcome to this special episode of Vinnie B Presents. We've come down to the south coast to visit our good friend Rob Chambers, and we're going to have a blessed weekend. We call them blessed weekends, which just involves health, the outdoors, the great outdoors. So stay tuned for this. This is going to be big. Here at the blessed Chambers household, and starting the day with some movement and some Rubish Wim Hof breathing.
Your cortisol levels drop massively, and your epinephrine is what it's called, is dumped in. So you must feel pretty good now.
Hey, welcome.
Welcome to the world of less inflammatory.
Our lifelong friend, Robert Chambers.
And brother, friend and brother.
So we just arrived an hour ago, and we've started the day with some Wim Hof techniques, breathing, and a little press-up exercise that Rob's taken as a little tutorial. So just in a nutshell, Rubish, just explain to everyone what Wim Hof is all about, and basically the benefits. We want to know about the benefits.
Okay. So the technique consists of breathing exercise, cold exposure and commitment, and the benefits are a stronger, happier and healthier life.
Really? In what sense exactly? What is it actually doing, the breathing?
The breathing keeps the body pH balanced, so it keeps you nice and alkali. So we're not acidic anymore, just through the breathing technique, and the cold exposure that helps us with inflammatory problems within the body. So basically, with the cold and the breathing, we can lead a healthier life and a stronger life.
Keeping our bodies in an alkali state, yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
And just touching on that, Rob hasn't been ill since he started that in January. 5 months, no illness, and the body can't, illnesses and stuff like that can't exist in the body when your body's in an alkali state. So we were going to go out, bit of cycling today, bit of breakfast. He's going to take us through this cold exposure, and we're going to go more in depth with this Wim Hof method. Stay tuned, everyone.
When you do the lie down and breathe, your pH balance. When you do that, oxygen up, depleted when you're doing the press up.
So here we are, lovely greenery of Wimborne. Blessed.
Warrior fruit. It's worth having a little pussy in there, because it's nice, it's not cold.
Yeah, we'll have some of that.
Ui.
And they're off.
They're off.
Italian wind. Loving it, mate. For me,
Right,
these are the best days of my life, mate.
Yeah.
We're here at a nice cold freshwater river, part of the Wim Hof cold exposure. There's a man himself doing the breathing, and that's it. Relax. It's not cold. It's not cold. Tell yourself.
Don't contract.
Let's get in the mindset.
Hands on your side. You can. While swimming in this stream, and the water is very, very cold, so it's an extension of the Wim Hof method we was doing this morning, just exposing our body to the freezing cold water, coping very well. Inflammation,
Down.
alkali, everything's down. Health, circulation, blood capillaries.
It's difficult at first, but you adjust, get used to it.
The ice cold stream, Wim Hof, feel great, refreshed. Bless me. Cheers. Cheers, mate.